This is Prince Leopold Island. A small island in the icy Parry Channel that cuts through the Arctic territory Nunavut. It has also been the site of Environment Canada research since the mid-1970s, led by Tony Gaston. With its precipitous shale cliffs 280 meters above the sea, it hosts one of the largest colonies of breeding seabirds in the Canadian high Arctic. With the black and white penguin-like thick-billed murres, excitable and social Black Lake Kittiwakes, and the stoic northern fulmars. These birds winter in the stormy open waters off the Grand Banks and come here in the brief summer to lay eggs and rear chicks in dense aggregations on the narrow ledges, high away from fox or polar bear nest robbers. Research is primarily concerned with the thick-billed murres, gathering breeding information, capturing them with nooses, and placing small instruments on them. Some of these birds have been captured repeatedly for almost 30 years. We capture birds by noosing them, which is relatively harmless. Devices like this, when recaptured, help to identify the murre's daily shuttles of up to 100 kilometers away and back to find fish. Recapture is possible because murres always nest at the same location, within centimeters, for up to 30 years or more. This chick too will come back to the same site. I work mostly on the Black Lake Kittiwakes. Like most seabirds, the kittiwakes form lifelong monogamous bonds and share most egg and chick-rearing duties. This choking displays how partners greet each other. They are exchanging incubation duties, while the other will go and forage for fish. They too are captured for geolocating instruments. Visible on this bird feeding its chick. The northern fulmar is an interesting species of petrels, almost completely undaunted by the presence of humans. It feeds its chick in an enriched oiled substance that it will spit at, and this seems to deter anything that comes too close. And then there are the riotous glaucous gulls. Few in number, but predators on the other species. This one has regurgitated an entire bird to be picked at by his two chicks. The island also hosted small numbers of sandpipers and some king-eiders. There were bowhead whales. And when there was ice, we had lots and lots of belugas. When there is ice, there is good feeding, and when it eventually disappears due to climate change, everything is in jeopardy. The date is August 12th, and this is the plot G, where I've been counting breeding kittiwakes for the last month or so. And on this day, it is snowing, so we're a little bit delayed in our work. We've got a veritable blizzard out there, as you may or may not be able to see. And those poor chicks are toughing it out.